Hi guys, and I am Miko, and this is my friend Nico.
And we are Nico Group, okay?
Okay. So I made this video
Wait,
about
I have a question for you. What's for this?
gift shop.
It's a souvenir, right? Okay, so thanks.
Okay. I have a howl cause my dad gave me a lot of things.
So who's asking?
First, wait.
No. Oh, since Nico is not here, me first, and I'm playing James Hotel. Okay, never mind. And she has a Barbie, and she's gonna let you see that.
Okay, the first thing I wanna
Barbie. She likes Barbie very much.
not very.
Not very, very much. May pagpa-freeze na siya. Ikados pabiya to ganiha ay kanina. Kados na biya ni.
Okay. So the first thing I want to show you is this my new Barbie. My dad gave me.
Oh, Barbie now is a lavender. Ay. Ano? In English ako ang galing lavandera.
Lavender. Okay. And next, my dad gave me this laptop that I use today. It's Samsung Color Black. And then next, I want to show you this metallic. Okay. And it holds this because this is magnet. That one. And it holds money like like that. It's very itchy. And it can extend. And it is like a pen. And please, don't put it in your cell phone, in your laptop, in your computer, any electronic
gadgets.
And my dad gave me a dog. I'm just kidding. And next, I'm gonna show you this one, this pen, and my dad's name is on it. One. I don't want to show you. And next, I'm gonna show. And my dad gave me this cell phone, 2 cell phones. And next, I'm gonna review it to you later. And my dad gave me this powder. And another one, my dad gave me a mouse. White mouse. Here. It is very shy. Okay, for now I'm gonna use the vlog of my cell phone, the games of it, and all. Sorry. This is my phone. And then you can open it. Of course you can. And let's go into the games. And this is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. Okay. Go back. And I have 13 other games. And let's start with the sound effects.
Klaro pa eh. Makapagod ko ano.
And let's start with the alarm. That's electronic, and another electronic, a clock, a burglar, a
Thank you,
car,
Miss Jean. Ay, si Jean, hindi akong pangalan.
and fire truck.
Hindi ka ba yun? Jean.
You can't normally see it, sorry.
Mitch, ni gwapo na gud siya sa mot, Mitch. Sorry, I don't know.
Okay, next, the human. It has kiss, it has hit, it has whistle, clap, and scream. Next, animal. Cat, cow,
Sorry, Mitch.
sheep,
Dili na ako madula, Mitch.
horse,
Sorry, kung ko na kaya.
pig, and leopard. And then, comedy. Accent, vocal lol, vocal ouch, and then, and accent, and vocal lol. And then accent again. And that's for now. And I'm gonna do the vlog later. So bye. So bye. See you in the next video. Bye. Bye.